Hey guys, this is Jeff with Tenacore. Let's talk about your new VELO LUX and how to set it up and install the hardware. To start with, in addition to the holster and the attachments, you're going to need some sort of screwdriver. A Phillips drive will work, also a Robertson or square drive, and then a flat head drive will also work. You also need a number 2 pencil. So to start with, you're going to take your holster, put your gun in there. It comes without the attachments on purpose. And then you're going to stick the gun and holster into your waistband without the attachments and wear it around. You're going to sit down on the couch, you're going to squat, you're going to walk around, you're going to lay down, you're going to get up. And you're going to let the holster kind of find its home and the place that you feel is the most comfortable and the most concealable. Once you've found that spot, you're going to take that pencil and you're gonna mark it. You're just gonna trace across the top of your pants. Then you can take that out and you have basically established the line where you wanna put the top of the clips. So the next thing you're gonna wanna do is look at the camming bar. So if you have a compact light holster, you're gonna get a camming bar Mod Zero kit. And that kit is gonna come with 3 different size camming bars. And then it's also going to include 2 longer screws. So these are 5/8" flathead screws. If you bought a VELO LUX that is a full-size light, like this one here, for this X300, you're gonna get a different camming bar set. And that camming bar set is gonna be the Mod 1. It's also gonna come with the 3 different size camming bars, but it's gonna come with a double post and then 2 3/8" flathead screws. So what we're gonna wanna do here for this full-size light, I'm gonna take that double post and slide that in to this position here. I'm then gonna take a camming bar, place it on there, and then I can put my screws on. And then with my camming bar, I'm gonna check it again to make sure it is how I want it to be. If it's in a different spot, you can put a new line on there and confirm that that's where you want it. The compact light one is a little bit different. So on this one, you have to remove the existing screws that came on it. I'll remove these 2 screws. I can take my medium-sized camming bar to start with and the flathead screw, replace it. Check my retention, check my placement. If it's pushing in too much, I can go back to no camming bar. I can go with the smaller camming bar. If it's not pushing in enough, then I can go to the large camming bar. And what I want to do is, here's a belt loop. I want to mark the location of my belt loop on the holster, and I'll use 2 vertical lines with that. The clip installation works the same, whether it is a compact light version, a universal light version, or a full-size light version. So you'll get a bag that has Mod 4 clips in it. It'll come with 2 Mod 4 clips, 2 double posts, 1 for each, and then 4 screws. If I take my clip and I place it on here on this one that goes over the light, and I look at those lines I made from my belt loop, I know that I can't actually carry it in that location with one of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install 2 clips here on the front 2 positions. So I'm gonna take this and line the top of the clip up with the line that I have on there and hold that in position. I'm gonna place my double post on the inside, keep all of that lined up, and then I can take my screw, place one of my screws in there, I can take my second screw, place it in there. So my line here was pretty much straight across, so I didn't have any cant to it. If you did have cant to it, you'd wanna loosen the top screw slightly, and then you can adjust the clip left or right based on the proper cant. So I'll just tighten those down. Then I will take my second double post, place it in there, take my second clip and line it up even across the top. Put both screws in, tighten them down, and then I can test this out. Slide this in, lift the clips up, make sure the camming bar is tucked in, pop it down over my belt, and confirm that I like the carry location and the right height, the placement, and the camming bar. Make sure it conceals how I want it to conceal. So that's how you set up your VELO LUX. So if you don't have one and you're interested in purchasing a VELO LUX, go check it out at tenacore.com.